The global payment landscape is shifting faster than anyone expected. Behind the headlines and the noise, a quiet replacement of the Federal Reserve's role in settlements is already underway. And it leads straight to Ripple. Professor William Liebenberg explains that Ripple's escrow system isn't just managing liquidity, it's redefining how value itself circulates across the world. Ripple's chief technology officer, David Schwartz, confirmed something extraordinary. The company can sell the rights to future XRP from escrow, not the tokens themselves before release. That means large institutions can already reserve tomorrow's XRP supply under private deals. It's like pre-buying the oil of the digital era while the rest of the world still thinks it's vaporware. As of late 2025, Ripple still holds about 40 to 45 billion XRP in escrow. 1 billion XRP is automatically released each month by smart contract. No button to press, no manual control. Ripple then uses part for institutional liquidity and locks the rest again for 55 months. This predictable schedule makes XRP one of the few digital assets with transparent monetary discipline, something even central banks envy. But here's the question for you. If Ripple can pre-sell the rights to future XRP, who's buying? Could these be central banks, sovereign funds, or the very clearinghouses that once depended on SWIFT? Let us know what you think in the comments below. Who do you believe is behind those NDA-covered deals? Evidence is pouring in. Forbes has now confirmed that Ripple and XRP are quietly transforming the world's financial backbone. Meanwhile, 7-spot XRP ETF filings are under review by the SEC. Their decision window runs between October 18th and November 14th, right after new crypto ETF listing standards took effect. That's not coincidence. That's coordination. Market data from Polymarket shows a 99% probability that the SEC will approve at least one spot XRP ETF by year-end 2025. When that happens, XRP joins Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana as a recognized institutional asset, signaling the shift from speculation to integration. Could this be the moment XRP moves from crypto markets into the global reserve system? While most investors look at charts, Ripple's been buying companies. In just 2 years, it's made 5 strategic acquisitions: Medico, Standard Custody, Rail, G-Treasury, and Hidden Road, now renamed Ripple Prime. Together, they form the most complete digital asset infrastructure ever built. As Brad Garlinghouse said, XRP sits at the center of everything Ripple does. With Ripple Prime now active, Ripple becomes the first crypto company to own and operate a global prime broker handling both traditional and digital assets. In practice, it already mirrors the Federal Reserve's clearing role, but without debt, delays, or political control. This is why many insiders agree with Liebenberg. Ripple isn't competing with the Fed, it's replacing it. Once Ripple reduces its holdings below the Clarity Act threshold, sovereign adoption can begin. The IMF only accepts assets that nations already use, and XRP is quietly reaching that stage. At that point, its price will no longer be discovered by markets. It will be set by global agreement. That's how a reserve asset is born: stable, audited, and based on real value. Technology never sleeps, and neither does opportunity. As Liebenberg says, those who act today will live free tomorrow. The reset is unfolding right now, not through hype, but through the deliberate architecture of a new, honest financial system. The switch is ready. Only awareness separates us from the moment it flips. Before we wrap up, what do you think? Will Ripple truly replace the Fed's role, or will central banks fight to keep control? Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to like this video and comment XRP to the future if you believe in a free, value-based economy. We inform, you choose. In this library, we don't give false hope or news for sensation. The information we share is based on reality,